Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today I would like to present my presentation of my industrial training progress. So my name is Nur Amirah binti Hamzan. My registration number is 14DKM18F1041 and I'm from program DKM6A. So my title is about the progress of thing that I did for my industrial training for about like 4 months to 5 months, like that. So this is the first slide. The first slide is show about the summary table, the background of establishment of organization. It's a show it show the things that you need to know, the background of film. So this is the name of the film, Palm Cordon Rubber and Sedan that we call PCM. Actually, this PCM has more than one branch. So I got the branch at Batangkali, Selangor. So the type of firm is Sendirian Berhad, as the MPhD Sendirian Berhad. The registration number of firm is EMSISO 14001. That is the registration number of that company. The name of the owner is Kiyoshi Shigeki. Actually, he is the Japanese. So the start date of firm is on July 1988. That is the date of the branch that the first open. So, and the owner number is in the table. The company email is info@palmcordon.com. So the company location is number 1 Jalan Heavyfield, Batu 31, Jalan Ipoh, Batangkali, Selangor. So this is the branch that I got for my industrial training. So the next one is company establishment background. So this is about the background, more to background of the company. So PCM is a company that manufacture automotive components. They make the more of component of automotive from rubber. So initially its company was established in 1988, like before on the table, like I said before, and specialists in the manufacturing process of automotive components and technical printing parts for the OEM industry. Then the owner is Mr. Kiyoshi Shigeki, has been trained in specialized fields of mechanical engineering, more than 10 years of experience in the workforce. So from that, he could build the company by himself, to build the company of himself. No need to work under the different company, so he can manage his own company. This establishment is because it requires several types of car components growing. The company where I underwent industrial training for about 4 months, like that, is located at number 1 Jalan Heavyfield, Batu 31, Jalan Ipoh 44300, Batangkali, Selangor. So automotive components are also an important aspect of daily human life today. Yeah, like we know, component of automotive is not just like for it actually is the aspect that really important that we need to for our daily life routine, because now I think most of all of us is use the car. So the car is need the component like that, right? Then, from year to year, PCM strives to improve its service, and now Palm Cordon Rubber has stood proudly alongside other companies in the world that provide world-class products, service, and solutions. Then, next is organizational activities. Palm Cordon Rubber, like its PCM, its manufacturing facility is equipped with the best complete machines for various stages of production, from mixing rubber compounds, extrusion process, injection to printing precise technical parts. With our high-tech machinery and unique production techniques, we are consistent in providing rubber products that meet the growing needs of customers. The more customer we get, the more order we could get to make the rubber products to be a component automotive. We are experienced in producing a good group of rubber processing technicians and production operators. Next, this is the manufacturing process floor. So the first is we do the mixings of compound to make the compound rubber. Then you need to extrusion, and after that you need to cutting that rubber rubber you just mixing compound before. Then you need to do the jointing, finishing. After that, need to QC checking on the board, the special board, because we provide from broken off products. Then you need to packing and then delivery that products. After that, this is the process that we do daily at the company for the products. So this is the cutting process for weather strip, opening trim, and back door. So the first one is you need to take the profile from the profile storage and install on the turntable. And the second one, insert the profile to cut the jig and check its external appearance. So they are shown the picture under that. After the next one is the third step. Remove the metal at the end of profile and trimming the excess material so the material will become more beautiful, more good lah. And then the fourth step, pull the profile to the end of cutting jig until the bright light on. So you need to be careful in this step, because this step include the safety. The next one is fifth step. So you need to insert profile into cutting jig and push the green button. The next one is sixth step. Remove metal at the end of profile and trimming excess material at the cut area. So at the cut area before, just now you need to trimming the excess material, right? To more become the good. So the next one is seventh step. Insert on profile jig and check length of profile. So you no need to very short or very long, just nice of length. And then the eighth step, you need to marking a tight line or center dot or marking dot, so you know that you have done that this material. Then the next one is you need to write production date and operator ID on the profile, so we could know who did that that product and which date that production did. Then put on the table or hang at hanger beside of cutting table. So you just need to hang at the hanger beside of the table, so it could be more arranged like that. So this is the picture of defect specification based on zone. So the first one is part critical zone of bezel door. This is for zone AA, and beside is for zone BB. So the next one is part critical zone for Asia door, that shown the AA zone and BB zone also. So this here we know that more than one zone. There are zone A, there are zone B, and also zone C, followed by the each car. So the next one is, this is the table of specification defect that we need to know for especially for QC person, quality control, under quality control. So this shown the for A zone, for the B zone, also C zone. For the it's more specific for the each zone. For the gradual swell, acute swell, pimple, hole or pinhole, the line or the scratch, dented or sin mark. So this is the accurate for the specification defect. So we need to know that this is not good for the products, for the production, so we need to provide this. The next one is the findings and recommendations. So for my recommendation based on my industrial training, actually industrial training is very important to the students as a complement to the awarding of certificates or diplomas to students after their graduation, right? And the next, students need to undergo industrial training sessions for a period of 1 semester, set by of the polytechnic or your any poly or UiTM or so on. And through the period of industrial training, me at Pangkor Rubber PCM, my various knowledge and experience that I need to learn and follow. However, not everything is perfect and there are gaps that can be fixed so that work can be done more effectively. So the next time. Then too much still needs to be learned on a daily basis, because there are definitely different situations that require students to know how to deal with various situations actually. That's a good thing. Actually, this is the good things and part for student to know the situation, the real situation of working out there. Then these activity suggestions during industrial training. First, make a complete confident preparation that you need to ensure that high confidence can be exhibited during industrial training with a little necessary preparation or necessary equipment. Second one, selection of appropriate organization. Choosing the right organization actually one of important things. So to be compatible with the current field of study at the polytechnic. It aims to enable students to apply what they have learned in organization management to avoid any conflicts in their respective fields. The third one, the high spirit it should be. So every student actually must have a high determination and enthusiasm to learn industrial training within the allotted time. Yeah, that is my suggestions. So this is the conclusion of my industrial training. After I undergoing industrial training for about 20 weeks at PCM, Pangkor Rubber, various new knowledge and lessons have been taught by employees here, especially in the field involving in mechanical engineering that I'm running. And the Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia has set all polytechnic students to undergo industrial training as a compulsory condition before receiving a degree for a certificate or diploma according to the specificity of their respective fields. So industrial training is to expose the students to the real world of the work of the work environment. So it is very different atmosphere where students need to be more disciplined, responsible, trustworthy, and professional in every job you do from the time on time. In addition, a smart attitude is also very important to address the problem of personal inventory to improve the work in understanding the challenges of working and testing whether to fall or improve the performance of an organization over the course of 4 more months. This industrial training started from on March 2020 until 16th July 2020, a wide range of knowledge and experience that I have gained. So this is the several attachment that I attach. This attachment A is the profile rubber. The second one, attachment B is AutoCAD 3D drawing. The third one this is the profiles board, and then this is me entering a profile on the board as a QC, quality control person. And then this attachment E is snippet in the profile, and then the last one is profile on the board. Yeah, this is the attachment that I got for my industrial training. So only that I will present to you. I hope you can give more comment, the good comments for my presentation, and I would like to thank for you that you for you to hear my presentation very well. Thank you, and very thank you.